look at that little guy sticking out the top. Doesn't go too bad, but not tuned. No fuel put into it yet. Get the old 10 mil on there. Oh, that's not bad. Hey guys, well, a little while since the last update. As you saw, we're putting a turbo on the plow. We finally finished the exhaust and we've done a bit of a quarter chop on the front. I've also put some gauges in and had a bit of a rearrange of a custom dash. So I'll run you through what we've done. So basically Skyline turbo, nothing flash, just an old, garret turbo for Skyline. I had it sitting on the shelf for ages, so I thought I'd use that. It's a 3" into 3.5 to 4" exhaust. Anthony from Ends Off-Roader in the fabrication department, massive thanks, man. It's next level exhaust, out the gate welding. We've also got Anthony's custom designed little snorkel head, exhaust head, basically to stop the rain and the mud, because you got the rain from the top, you got the mud from the side, and you want to try and cover everything. So he's designed a little hat up there, it's quite cool. Inside we've gone and put aftermarket water temperature gauge, oil pressure gauge, because they're really vital. I've also got an ECU Shop boost gauge and EGT gauge, that's not in there yet. And the clear display panel, not display panel, switch panel. Something different, just cheap piece of plastic from Bunnings. Also put some racing seatbelts in there. Plow's like upmarket now, she's got her 5-point harnesses in there. Mudfest requires everybody to have seatbelts and helmets, so we wanted to be safe and put those all in properly. Thanks to Jack too, with his off-road racing buggy, his belts has expired, so we can use these for this application. Also batteries in the box, just for safety. I need to tidy that up. It's not really the ultimate box, but it was a bit of a rush just to get ready. And last but not least, Steve from 4Drive Fiberglass in Hamilton. Massive shout out to the bonnet. He did provide me a full bonnet that can fit on any GQ Safari, but I decided to cut it up to get the turbo out the bonnet, the exhaust, everything like that, and it sits on there mint, eh? Chris from Ballantyne's Auto Collision Repairs painted it up for me in a nice orange, just to give her a bit of a spruce up. I think we may need to give her a little revamp. But yeah, Azar mate, we're waiting on Mudfest, eh? Let's get this sorted. I mean, the mud's ready. We're ready. Let's do it.